Now we are discussing about money making options, in that sell on CafePress or Etsy. If you can design digital items, you can sell them for a share of the profits on a site like CafePress. CafePress is a software. Etsy is also one e-commerce software. You can do this with nothing more than some design software. They can include custom logos, inspirational sayings, and other topical or trending designs appealing to the masses. You could hire a designer to assist you with this online business, but you still need to come up with the ideas. This works best if you understand design yourself, but requires no overhead. Items are printed and delivered on demand. You simply receive a share of the proceeds. Similarly, if you are a business owner, you could sell items on Etsy as well and utilize the platform as an online store. This is the information regarding CafePress or Etsy platforms to sell their products, and you can get very good profit. Wishing you all the best.